Hello, friend. I hope you all are familiar with honeybee, stinging insects. Yeah, it's stinging insects. But what about honey? We obtain honey from honeybees. We also have certain advantages from honeybee. It pollinate our crop. It give us a lot of byproducts. Then why we called honeybees stinging insects? Yeah, it's sting, no problem. But when we disturb the honeybee colony, when we disturb the honeybee, otherwise honeybee is a good. Now I hope your mind may be thinking, then why not we kept this bee in our house, in our field? Friends, for that we required certain knowledge of beekeeping. We required information about beekeeping economics, then beekeeping equipments, and we also required certain we also need to know the certain government plan schemes. Friends, let's familiar with the beekeeping equipments, their price in market. To start the beekeeping, the two basic requirements are, one is bee box and second one is itself honeybee colony. Bee box come in different shape and with a different number of frames. We mostly prepare 7 to 8 frame bee box. This bee box come from 1500 to 2000s. Then we requires colony, honeybee colony. We mostly prepare two species of honeybees. One is Apis mellifera and second one is Apis cerana indica for beekeeping. Uh, Apis cerana indica is somewhat produce less honey as compared to mellifera, but it is highly resistant to disease. Apis mellifera is a sluggish bee, and but it is highly sensitive to disease. And when we while buying the honeybee colony, one precaution must be keep in your minds. Please check the colony because sometimes what happened, beekeeper sell queenless colony. Uh, if we have money problem, then we can also catch the honeybee swarm, mostly in spring season, from February to April. And for that, to catch the swarm, honeybee swarm, we required swarm catching nets. It is also available in markets, in beekeeping centers from 500 rupees, yeah, even more. We also want bee veil to protect your beautiful face. Then honey extractor to extract the pure honey. Honey extractor uh, comes from 5,000 to 10,000 rupees. Then we required hive tool, hand gloves to protect our hand, new beekeeper hands. We also want smoker to escape the bees from flame. The smoker comes from 700 rupees. But I recommended you, please don't use the smokers when we start to handle the bees easily. Then we required uncapping knife, queen gate. Queen gate is also important to avoid the entry of queen bee from brood chamber to super chambers. Otherwise, this uh, queen starts laying eggs in super chamber and damage the quality of honey. We also required bee brush, bee suit. To bee suit is important to protect your body from honeybee sting. Then we required crafting needles. Uh, Friends, we can use these equipments up to 8 to 10 years. If we handle this carefully, if we use this carefully, then from swarm catching net to grafting needle. These equipments we can use up to 8 to 10 years. If we see the economics of beekeeping, from one colony we get 6 to 7 kg honey per year. And if we start this business with 10 colonies, then we get 60 kg honey per year. This is the pure honey. And the price of 1 kg honey in market is more than 500 rupees. So from 10 colonies, when we start this business with the 10 colonies, we earn 30,000 rupees per year. We also earn money from wax. A damaged comb of colony we use to make the wax from 10 colonies per year. We earn 10,000 rupees by selling 15 kg wax in market. When we start easily handling the bees, when we familiar with bees, then we start to make new colonies from old. We make one colonies, two colonies from old colonies, and the price of one colony in market is in 5,000 to 6,000. We can sell this new colony to new beekeepers, yeah, required persons. In this way, friends, if we start this business from 10 colonies, then after investing 20,000 rupees or even more, we got benefits more than 45,000. Now, friends, we want to collect information. We want to need to know certain plans, certain government plans, certain government scheme. Then we also visit to beekeeping centers. One beekeeping centers is in Mahabaleshwar. It is under Maharashtra State Khadi and Village Boards. This center organize the workshop, give training to employer, unemployer, and provide information regarding this beekeeping. We can also take training from CBR, which is in Pune. This CBR also provide information about beekeeping. It also organized the workshop training program for a new beekeeper. We can also obtain certain information, certain government plans, schemes from National Horticulture Mission, State Horticulture Mission. In each district, there's a one district DIC, District Industry Center. We can collect the information. We can collect the government plans from DIC. There's one website, Mahaswayam, skill development under these Mahaswayams also provides information regarding these small scale agro industries like beekeeping. And finally, after getting the knowledge of beekeeping, economic of beekeeping, collecting certain information regarding government plan, schemes for such small scale agro industries, we can start this business. This business does not require much more money. We can start by investing 10,000, 20,000 money and can earn handsome profit. This business does not require much more space, light, water. Even all member of family can help in this business. 2 to 3 hours of a week uh, are sufficient to care the bees, and here both get benefit. One is beekeeper who earn money from honeybees, And second, one honeybees who get shelter, because in this way we provide we nurture, we conserve the bees. And this is the side business, yeah, we called supplementary business for agriculture. It is my humble request to all, please keep at least one hive in your house, in your field, because this business is always profitable business. Thanking you. And friends, for more videos on biology and agriculture, please like, share and subscribe my channel.